The jammed bolt error on your Schlage Encode lock means the deadbolt can't fully extend or retract. This is often signaled by beeps, app notifications, or a flashing red LED. Common causes include misalignment with the strike plate, low batteries below 4.8 volts, debris in the mechanism, or software glitches. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the issue. Before attempting complex fixes, address the fundamentals. Power issues frequently cause the jammed bolt error. Replace the 4AA batteries with fresh ones to ensure adequate voltage above 4.8 volts. Low batteries can prevent the stepper motor from functioning properly. Next, try a basic reset to clear temporary software glitches. You can perform this through the Schlage mobile app or by pressing and holding the Schlage button on the lock for about 10 seconds until it responds. This recalibrates the motor and often resolves the issue. If a basic reset doesn't work, try a factory reset. Note that this will erase all your settings. The process varies by model, but generally involves holding down a button on the interior side of the lock for an extended period, usually 30 seconds. Consult your Schlage Encode manual for the exact steps for your model. Then you will need to set the lock up again. Misalignment is a common cause of jammed bolt errors in Schlage Encode locks. The bolt may not be properly aligned with the strike plate on the door frame. To check for alignment, open the door completely and visually inspect the position of the bolt relative to the strike plate. Look for signs that the bolt is not centered. If it's misaligned, the bolt will likely strike the door frame rather than sliding smoothly into the strike plate, causing the jam. Beyond alignment, check the overall condition of door components. Inspect the door frame for warping, check hinges for looseness or rust, and examine the strike plate for wear. Pay special attention to the strike plate. Look for bending, enlargement of the bolt hole, or corrosion that could prevent proper bolt entry. Check hinges for rust, loose screws, or wear. Damaged hinges can cause the door to shift, leading to bolt misalignment. If you identify problems with alignment, door frame condition, hinges, or strike plate wear, these components may require adjustment, cleaning, or replacement to resolve the jamming issue. If misalignment is the issue, you'll need to adjust the strike plate. Loosen the strike plate screws, reposition the plate so the bolt aligns properly, and retighten the screws. You may need to file the strike plate opening slightly for a smoother fit. For bolt alignment, carefully loosen the lock set screws, adjust the bolt's position, and re-secure the screws. If you have hinges that are loose or a door frame that is not square, that might be a bigger issue to address first before strike plate adjustment. Dust, dirt, and grime can obstruct the bolt mechanism. Use a dry lubricant like graphite powder to lubricate the bolt and internal components. Avoid oil-based lubricants as they can attract more dirt over time. Clean the strike plate area to ensure smooth bolt entry. Check for debris inside the lock housing as well. Firmware updates are crucial for your Schlage Encode lock. The latest version 4.8.2, released in late 2025, improves bolt alignment and reduces jamming errors by about 15%. Outdated firmware can cause glitches that lead to the bolt getting stuck. Always check for updates through the Schlage app to ensure optimal performance. If you're using Z-Wave connectivity, a stable connection is essential. Z-Wave operates on mesh and star network topologies, allowing devices to communicate reliably. Connectivity problems can sometimes cause false jammed bolt error notifications. Ensure your lock maintains a strong signal within the network. Finally, keep your smart home hub updated. Outdated hubs can interfere with Z-Wave connectivity, potentially triggering lock errors. Regular updates ensure compatibility and stable communication between your devices. If you've tried all the above steps and the issue persists, it's time to call a professional locksmith. Locksmiths can diagnose more complex mechanical issues, such as faulty springs or damaged motors, and provide specialized repairs. Also consider contacting Schlage support directly for warranty assistance or hardware replacement options.